Welcome to this simple guide on unboxing and setting up your DJI Neo drone. We'll take you through each step to get your drone ready for its first flight. Let's begin with unboxing. In the basic DJI Neo package, you'll find the drone propellers, a battery, and a charger. If you got the Fly More combo, you'll also find 2 extra flight batteries, a charging hub, and the DJI Ring 3 remote controller. These extras let you fly for longer and make charging easier. Now that everything is out of the box, let's prepare the DJI Neo for its first flight. First, check the drone for any damage. Carefully remove the gimbal protector, which is covering the camera. Make sure the battery is properly installed in the drone. If it's not in place, insert it until it clicks. Next, you'll need to activate the battery. Connect the USB-C chargers to the port on the drone and charge the battery fully before your first flight. This makes sure the drone has enough power for activation and any updates. Once your battery is charging, it's time to set up the DJI Fly app. You can scan the QR code in the Quick Start guide or download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After downloading, make sure your phone's Wi-Fi is on and connected to the internet. Open the app and log into your DJI account or create a new one. Follow the instructions in the app to activate your drone, which links it to your account and makes it ready to fly. The app will also check for any firmware updates. If an update is available, follow the steps to install it. Make sure not to turn off the drone or close the app during the update, as the DJI Neo might restart automatically when it's done. Next, let's set up the DJI Ring 3 remote controller, which comes with the Fly More combo. Start by attaching the control stick store on the back of the remote. Press the power button once to check the battery level. If it needs charging, connect it to a USB charger. Pull out the mobile device holder on top of the controller and place your phone in it, making sure the charging port is on the right. Connect the remote to your phone using the cable. Then press the power button once and hold it for 2 seconds to turn on the remote. The DJI Neo and remote should already be linked, but if not, the app will guide you through the steps. Don't forget to update the remote controller if needed. When it's time to replace the battery, start by turning off the drone. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds, then remove the battery by pressing the latch and sliding it out. To insert a new battery, push it in until it clicks. Always make sure the battery is secure before flying. The Fly More combo also comes with a charging hub, which lets you charge multiple batteries. To use it, insert the batteries into the hub and connect it to a power source. The hub will charge each battery one at a time, and the lights on the hub will show you when they're fully charged. You can also use the hub as a power bank for other devices. Just connect your device and hold the function button for 3 seconds to start charging. And that's it! You've unboxed your DJI Neo, set it up, activated the battery, installed the DJI Fly app, updated the firmware, set up the remote, and learn how to charge and replace the batteries. Now you're ready for your first flight. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Enjoy flying your DJI Neo.